Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix HP monitor won't turn on, power cord, button and internal fault repair guide. Fix 1 is check the power cable, turn off the monitor and unplug it. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected to the monitor and wall outlet. Try a different wall outlet. If possible, test with another compatible power cable. Second fix is check the power button. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, then look for any power light on the monitor. Make sure the button is not stuck or damaged. Third one is perform a power reset. Unplug the monitor from power, then press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds, then wait for 1 minute. Plug the monitor back in and turn it on. Fourth one is test another power outlet. Disconnect the monitor from the current outlet, then plug it into the different outlet that you know works. Turn on the monitor and check for power. Fifth one is disconnect all display cable. Remove HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA or USB-C cable, then leave only the power cable connected. Turn on the monitor and check if the HP logo or no signal message appear. Thanks for watching.